With the adoption and commercialization of the big three technologies, the 1990s proved to be a decade of market discovery for FDM, SLS, and SLA. The additive manufacturing industry had officially been launched, and there would be no looking back. Finding early adopters proved to be challenging during this time, since 3D printing was still costly with a limited market for low volume and high cost production projects. However, once crucial industries like aerospace, automotive, and medical markets began leveraging this technology as their go-to tool for rapidly creating prototypes, sales began to gain momentum, and the phrase rapid prototyping was coined. By the early 2000s, the 3D printing industry had reached a level of market acceptance and was on the path to becoming more mainstream. Many of the earliest patents from the 1980s had begun to expire, resulting in a rush of entrepreneurs and inventors rolling up their sleeves and stepping onto the field. This paved the way for a wave of consumer-grade printers to flood the market, making the technology more accessible to small businesses and individual consumers alike. This mainstreaming trend was significant because it put the technology into the hands of many users. However, it created the need for larger commercial-grade manufacturers to become more strategic and intentional with their marketing efforts. They realized the importance of clearly defining the differences between hobbyist, professional, and production-grade systems. 3D printing was now at the forefront of headline news, with compelling stories like the ability to print prosthetic limbs and a miniature functional kidney capable of filtering blood and producing urine. Additive manufacturing was now evolving beyond just rapid prototyping, and the world was taking notice. During the 2010s, patents continued to expire, and as intellectual property steadily entered the public domain, the prices of hobbyist-type printers dropped as their demand soared. This resulted in a large number of consumer-grade systems making their way into homes, schools, and small businesses. This rapidly developed into a do-it-yourself DIY culture referred to as the 3D printing maker movement, which is primarily made up of engineers, entrepreneurs, and tinkerers. This maker movement, combined with global collaboration amongst users and industries, has fueled a surge of unprecedented growth.